Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can watch HOTSTAR from outside of India. And also in this video, I'm going to be doing a live before and after comparison, just so you guys can see that this method is 100% working. Let's get started. So as you can see guys, I'm over here on the HOTSTAR website, and I'm just trying to play one of the TV shows on the platform. However, as I'm located outside of India, it actually won't allow me to go ahead and play this content. So if you want to go ahead and fix this issue, one of the best ways on how you can do that is by using a VPN. And essentially what a VPN is it changes your current location and replaces it with one in India. So you're able to access those streaming platforms such as HOTSTAR and Voot with no issues whatsoever. So this is a really awesome option if you're an Indian traveling overseas, or maybe you live overseas full-time, and even for someone like myself who's trying to access TV shows and movies on HOTSTAR. So one of the best VPNs that I've used for accessing HOTSTAR is one called Surfshark VPN. They're very quick and super reliable, especially for getting around the geo-blocked restrictions. So if you are looking to get started with Surfshark, I actually do have a massive 83% discount link down below in the video description. That will definitely save you a lot of money if you do decide to go with them. So now that I've gone ahead and opened up Surfshark VPN, I can go ahead and search for India. I'll click on that location, and this will go ahead and connect me to the fastest server in India. And as you can see, this is now highlighted in blue, and this just lets me know that my entire device is now connected. And just as a quick side note, this same method will also allow you to unlock Voot, and you can also go ahead and connect to maybe American, UK, or Australian servers, and also unlock additional content and movies that you may not be able to access in your current location. So now that I've gone ahead and connected to an Indian-based server, I'll just minimize this one. And simply all I have to do now is just go ahead and refresh the browser. And this will then go ahead and reload me onto the Indian-based version of the website. And I'll just let this load. And as you can see guys, this is now loading with no issues whatsoever. And then I can also go ahead and toggle between the different languages as well. So there you have it guys. If you're trying to access HOTSTAR from outside of India, then using Surfshark is one of the best options that you can use. And again, if you are looking to get started with them, don't forget to check out the massive 83% discount link down below in the video description. And also, if you have any questions about using VPNs or accessing geo-blocked content, whether that's in India or other countries, then please feel free to comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.